Here we have two 3D Copeland scroll compressors, Discus, the same model number. Generation 1 Discus valve plate, where the suction valves are actually on the cylinder deck with two little alignment dowels. Generation 2, they're fastened to the valve plate. The discharge button valve, still the same design. Same pistons, 0340-15. Same bore and stroke, different design. You can see the vapor ports are different. As the piston goes from bottom dead center to top dead center, it displaces the volume, compressing it. The pressure pushes up on the cylinder head, sealing the suction valve plate and pushing the discharge valve down. On the downstroke, going from top dead center to bottom dead center, this is pulled down into the brass seat, and then the suction valve is allowed to come off of its seat, pulling in from the vapor ports.